and today I am going to show you how to make the densiometer, which is a globe instrument to measure canopy and ground cover. To make the instrument, we will need some things that we probably have at home and also have instructions for making the densiometer, which are 3 sheets. It tells us what the materials we should prepare and also some tips to make the field observation, canopy cover and ground cover using the densiometer. We will basically need a roll of cardboard, string, a nut or washer, either with glue, tape, scissors, or cutter, and a square. Here are some examples of ready-made clinometers. This one, for example, has a nut. This other one also is the length indicated by globe, about 7.5 centimeters long. And then we have this one, also with a washer, which are different models of which we can elaborate. As basic materials, we can use a cardboard tube, as in this case is shown, of different thickness and diameters, or we can use a PVC tube. This is quite thick and very rigid, which will give greater durability to the densiometer. It would be ideal. To begin, the first thing is to take the tube of the chosen material or the one we have available. In this case, we chose one that has 3.6 centimeters in diameter, but it is quite rigid. What we are going to do is to measure as indicated in the instructions, a length of 7.5 centimeters long. We are going to mark it and cut it with a cutter. Carefully, especially when the students do it. We are going to choose this row. We will take the thread, and first we are going to make the bottom part, which consists of hanging a thread with a washer, which is not longer than the length of the tube, and we cut, leaving a piece upwards, and we stick it with the adhesive tape. We will wrap the tape around the tube, trying that the thread is well tied, and one of the ends facing the other end. This is how it looks. Then we make the part of the upper cross, for which we will need 2 more pieces of thread, which we will tie in the form of a cross on the tube. We cut them of equal length, and we do with the tape the same as we did below, trying to wrap it. Here we already have one, and then we will place the other piece forming a cross. To do this, we'll use the square to measure the angles at 45 degrees and make a cross as perfect as possible. We place the other ribbon as tight as possible. This way we will have the finished cross and the thread with the knot in place. As the tube is white, we put it on a brown sheet of paper to show how it looks finished. Finally, and as an option to decorate it, we can paste a paper with a design we choose on the tube with tape or glue, which will also reinforce that the thread remain tight. This way, the densiometer is ready to go out to make our measurements.